You're all I need. You're all I see when I close my eyes and dream. You're all I see. You're all I need, all I need, all I need.
It was a really peaceful night. Sound of the waves crashing about, but that was alright. Got a beautiful sunrise this morning. Lovely clear sky. And get these pups out on the beach. Lovely little beach. It feels quite warm. Yeah, good little park up. Not bad at all. Collision Harbour, just north of Aberdeen. The North Sea. Tide's coming in. We've got enough time to go for a little stroll. That's alright. Hey, you play? Is it playtime? Hey? So give me him. Here comes Milo. Do you see Milo? Dolly does, look. Playtime. You're alright. Yeah. Collision Pier. Go on then. See a skid. Constant buzz of helicopters backwards and forwards from Aberdeen Airport, taking the riggers. So we're taking a short drive, probably about 4.5 miles along the coastal road to Cruden Bay. Well, we think it's pronounced Cruden Bay.
Either Cruden or Cruden.
Yeah, Cruden or Cruden, but Cruden doesn't sound very nice, does it?
No.
Anyway, so we're going to take a little walk up to, there's ruins of a castle up there. What's it called? Slaith? Can't remember. There's ruins of a castle up there. So we're going to have a little walk up there. It's right on the coast. Yeah, should be quite nice.
it in.
It's still quite a good structure, isn't it? There's a lot of it. There's no details here about how old it is or. So, Slains.
Yeah.
So that was Slains Castle ruins. 16th century fortress, something or other. I'll find out some details. But yeah, that was really nice. Good walk, nice weather. Nice and breezy on the cliff edge there. Lots of helicopters buzzing backwards and forwards. You know, riggers. I guess that's what they must be doing. Right, back to Mosif. And on to we've got to find either a Halfords or a Screwfix. I think Peterhead we're going to head towards. Got to pick up a couple of batteries for the tracker fobs for the van. Yeah, get that done. Yeah, a good whole walk so far today. So it was a good walk up to the castle ruins. So let's have a look around here now at Cruden Bay and the harbour. There's a golf course there. Oh, maybe there's some info here on the castle. Strange, there was no information at all anywhere near the castle about it. Oh, there you go, look. Slains Castle. Oh, look at the steps that were going up to the front. Now you can see what it was like. Oh, I see. Oh, old Slains Castle and then new Slains. So one was built, that's why some of it looked old and some of it looked newer, I guess. Ah, right, I see. See the sundial? Is it 12 o'clock? Is it midday? Is it midday? 12:16, yeah, look. The sundial's doing its trick. 12:16. I wonder how many golf balls are in there.
Yeah.
Nice row of small little cottages there. To the beach. Oh wow. Ladies Bridge. Opened 29th of June 2015. Beach award area. Look at this, Les. Good sound, isn't it? I thought that doggy was coming over. Oh yeah, this is beautiful sand. Yeah, that breeze is quite strong. I haven't got the muffler on the camera, so I guess you're going to get a lot of wind noise here. But how about this for a stretch of sand? And a glorious day too. You could walk all the way around. That's crazy. Isn't it beautiful? There's a motorhome at the harbour. Yeah.